Here's how to quickly and easily put your brand new face shield together. Lay everything out on a clean, flat surface. Gently hold the visor in place with one hand and peel the protective plastic strip with the other. Holding the visor, peel off the strip from the other side. Next, pick up the headband with the arrow facing up. With your other hand, line the fasteners up with the pre-made holes in the visor and gently push it in. Your visor is almost ready for use. See the metal swivels on either side of the headband? To lift the visor, loosen the swivels. Then, when you are ready to secure it in place, just tighten them up. To adjust the headband, use the toggle at the back. Just press it down to move it back and forth, then release to keep the headband in place. Your face shield is assembled and ready to use. Just slip it over your head and use the toggle at the back to secure it in place. Need to flip your visor up frequently? You can adjust the tightness of the swivels so you can easily move it up and down. Thanks for choosing NoCry.